Hello everyone, I'm Alex the Martian, and welcome to this week's lesson, where we'll dive into the fascinating world of software development life cycles and project management principles. As a seasoned developer and project manager, I'm excited to share my insights and experience with you. Before we get started, let me briefly introduce myself. I've spent over a decade in the software development industry and education, working in various projects ranging from startups to large companies, such as Amazon and Netflix. My passion lies in creating efficient and high-quality software solutions while ensuring projects are delivered on time and within scope. All right, enough about me. Now let's dive into the concept of software development life cycles. This framework outlines the stages a software project goes through from conception to maintenance. The most common lifecycle models include waterfall, agile, and DevOps. Let's take a look at our first lifecycle model, waterfall. The waterfall model is a linear approach, where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. It typically consists of requirement gathering, design, implementation, verification deployment, and maintenance. This model is suitable for well-defined projects where the requirements are stable. However, it lacks flexibility when adjustments are needed mid-project, and changes at a later stage can be costly and time-consuming. So this can be a major headache for you and your team. Next, let's take a brief look at the Agile methodology. Agile is a flexible and iterative approach that emphasizes collaboration and customer feedback. It divides the project into smaller iterations called sprints, usually lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban enable teams to adapt to changing requirements. Regular retrospectives and constant communication with stakeholders ensures that the project stays aligned with customer needs. If you plan to work in entertainment industry that's more software-based, for instance animation or games, you'll most likely use the Agile development cycle. Now let's take a look at DevOps. DevOps is short for Development and Operations. This is a cultural and set of practices that aims to break down traditional silos between development and IT operations. Its focus is on automating the deployment pipeline, enabling continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. And this is done by automating testing and deployment processes. DevOps minimizes human error and speeds up software delivery, resulting in faster feedback loops and higher quality software. Effective project management is crucial for successful software development. Let's explore some key principles, such as clear goal definition, scope management, resource allocation, effective communication, and risk management. First and foremost, clearly defining project goals and objectives is essential. A well-defined goal sets the direction and purpose for the entire team. Without a clear goal, the team might lose focus and direction, leading to delays and confusion. Next, we have scope management. Scope management involves defining and controlling what's included in the project and what's not. Changes to scope during development can lead to scope creep, where additional features or requests are added without proper evaluation. This can result in delays, cost overruns, and compromised quality. A proper change control process helps manage scope change effectively. If you're interested in the game industry at all, I find game designers the biggest perpetuators of scope creep. Next, we have resource allocation. Resource allocation is about assigning the right people with the right skills to the right task. Proper resource allocation ensures optimal productivity and prevents burnout. It's essential to consider team members' strengths and expertise when assigning tasks, and also to balance workloads and to maintain a healthy work environment, which, if you're going to be a producer or project manager, this is one of your biggest responsibilities. Effective communication. Communication is the backbone of a successful project management. Regular updates, transparent communication, and active listening foster a collaborative environment. And then we have risk management, which sometimes is a different team, but oftentimes might fall under your purview. Risk management involves identifying potential issues and having contingency plans in place. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions to the project. In conclusion, understanding software development life cycles and embracing project management principles are essential for delivering high-quality software solutions on time within budget. By blending these concepts, you'll be well equipped to navigate the dynamic landscapes of software development. Please contact me if you have any questions about the assignment or in this video. Thanks, and thanks for taking this class.